3, 2, 1. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Fist bump.
That's the dumbest thing I've done.
That is the funniest thing I've ever done.
Well, then you're not very funny.
Nah. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video.
Welcome back to another video.
Okay, looks like she can just take it away. I'm always afraid there's gonna be people around. They'll be like, what the f are you guys doing with that big camera on that long stick? So for today's video, I am going to start what I'm gonna call the One Tree Wonder Challenge.
I came up with that.
Did you? You didn't?
Yes, I did. I said it before.
No, I called it that this morning. I was like, I'm gonna call it a One Tree Wonder Challenge. And you're like, that's dumb.
No, it's not. I came up with it.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. Fine. We'll share the credit.
Okay, fine. So I came up with this idea a while back. A bunch of YouTube channels that I watch do these challenges where you get a camera and you only have one location to shoot or one subject to shoot, or you get like one lens with your camera to shoot.
Whoa, that's amazing.
So to adapt those challenges to FPV flying, rather than having one lens or one subject or one location, I decided to basically do it so anyone can do this challenge. All you need is a park or a place with a single tree, and it is called the One Tree Wonder Challenge. So the base of this challenge is you pick one tree anywhere, a single tree, just one, whatever your favorite tree is, whatever stands out to you, or just any other regular tree, really doesn't matter. Take that tree and you fly around it for a couple packs and you make a 60-second video highlighting what you can do with that one single tree. In 2 weeks time, Monday, April 22nd, I think it's April 22nd. Let me check, I just made that up. Today is the 8th, so 14, yes, 22nd. Monday, April 22nd is the cutoff for this One Tree Wonder Challenge. Later on that week, probably for Friday's video of that week, I'm gonna go through what I think are the top 5 submissions. Now, how do you submit? You can upload it to YouTube and send me a link to wildwillyfpv@gmail.com, or upload it to Instagram and just tag me at wildwillyfpv, and I will take my top 5 submissions from my One Tree Wonder Challenge. I'll basically be going through them and kind of doing like a community spotlight sort of event. So yeah, head out, pick your one tree, get your 60 seconds of footage, upload it online, tag me, send it to my email, do whatever, and in 2 weeks time, I'm gonna pick my 5 favorite, do a little community spotlight event on them. So as you guys can see, we are out here at this park. I have chosen my one single tree that I'm going to fly around. I'm gonna go ahead and unpack my stuff and see what I can do with one single tree. Okay, so we have a slight plot twist. I forgot all of my GoPros at home, but Nikki brought her GoPros. The only problem is that she only uses the Hero 5 Session and I only use the Hero 7 Blacks. So all of my mounts for the Hero 7 and all she has are the Sessions. So rather than going home and grabbing my 7s, coming back and flying, I'm basically just gonna ghetto rig her Hero 5s top of my quad. We'll see if that works. So let's get on with the challenge. Alright, that is it, guys. That is my little 60-second demonstration of picking a single object and flying around it, kind of seeing what I can do with really limiting myself down to just one thing to fly around rather than using this entire space to really kind of pull something together. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to get your clips in 2 weeks time, Monday, April 22nd. Make sure to have fun, and I'll see you guys in next week's video.